Most families don't delay selling a parent's home out of neglect, they delay out of love. But what many don't realize is this: waiting can quietly, legally, and financially risk even when everyone means well. Let me explain why. Families rarely delay selling a parent's home because they don't care. They delay because they're trying to protect their parent, preserve stability, or avoid rushing an emotional decision. But in senior housing transitions, delay is not neutral. It often introduces legal exposure, financial loss, and family conflict without anyone realizing it until pressure hits. The family home is unique. It's not just an asset. It's a memory container, an emotional anchor, and a symbol of safety. But legally and financially, it's also one of the most complex elements of the aging parent's estate. When health changes, when care needs increase, when capacity begins to decline, the home can quietly shift from comfort to liability if it isn't addressed deliberately. How legal risk actually begins. Legal risk almost never starts with bad intentions. It starts when decision-making authority changes. Once a power of attorney is activated or a parent's capacity declines, real estate decisions are no longer casual family choices. They become fiduciary decisions. That means they can be reviewed by other beneficiaries, courts, tax authorities. At that point, questions begin to matter. Was the timing reasonable? Was the price fair? Was one family member influencing the decision? Was the sale strategic or reactive? Courts don't evaluate love or intent. They evaluate timing, documentation, and process. Why waiting can be interpreted as negligence. From a legal perspective, delay can look like failure to manage financial risk, failure to act prudently as a fiduciary, exposure of the estate to avoidable loss. Even when everyone meant well, late decisions create ambiguity, and ambiguity invites disputes. A home sold early, while capacity and consensus exists, it usually viewed as prudent. The same home sold later under pressure may be questioned even if the price is similar. The dangerous moment in a senior housing transition is when choice disappears. This often happens when a sudden hospitalization forces immediate care replacement, monthly care costs exceed income, a parent can no longer participate meaningfully, family disagreements escalate. At this point, selling a home is no longer strategic, it's reactive. And reactive decisions carry the highest legal and family risk. Proactive timing is risk management. Selling early doesn't mean selling prematurely. It means selling before urgency removes consent. Families who plan proactively protect executors and power of attorneys, preserve family trust, maintain control over timing and documentation, and protect estate value. The goal isn't speed, the goal is control. If your family is approaching a senior housing transition, the important step is clarity before pressure takes over. That's why I created a family transition map, a structured timeline designed to protect families legal, financial, and relationally. My name is Kevin Lynch, Senior Property Transition Advisor with RE/MAX Crest Realty. Clarity now prevents conflict later.